Of our 100-ton PHI air over hydraulic press. We'll run it up, two-hand operation. It goes up on the electric motor first. When this limit on the side is made by the bar, it'll kick on the air. Right now we have the low pressure setting set. Go ahead and turn the low air up. There we are, maxed out. Now we'll switch it over to the high pressure. PSI, right around 50 PSI will get you the 100-ton you need. It is only an 18-inch stroke. If you go past 18-inch stroke, it will start to leak past the seals. One button opens the press. You have to hold the button until it dumps all the pressure off. And you have to hold it all the way till the open point. If you let go, it'll stop. Go ahead and hit it again. We installed a brand new air pump, and it is wired 240 volts. And that's a video of our 100-ton PHI air over oil height press.